Do you suspect someone might be listening, watching, or tracking your every move? At Adley Barton Private Investigators, we specialise in expert bug-sweeping services across Canary Wharf, protecting your privacy with precision and discretion. Using advanced Technical Surveillance Countermeasures, or TSCM, we detect and remove hidden microphones, covert cameras, GPS trackers, and spyware from homes, offices, vehicles, and even personal belongings. From corporate boardrooms and government buildings to residential flats, hotel rooms, and private vehicles, if it can be bugged, we can sweep it. Our highly trained team is trusted by clients across the UK and internationally. Whether you're concerned about business espionage, personal safety, or digital surveillance, our experts deliver thorough, professional results. Audio bugs can hide inside lamps and extension leads. Tiny cameras might be watching from behind mirrors or picture frames. GPS trackers can be tucked beneath your car or slipped into a bag. Even your phone or computer could be compromised. That's why we check everything, including clothing, outdoor spaces, luxury assets like yachts and jets, and holiday rentals, where privacy breaches are on the rise. And if you need urgent help, we're available 24/7. Same-day bug sweeps in Canary Wharf. No problem. We'll be there when you need us. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your privacy today. Contact Adley Barton Private Investigators, confidential, professional, and always ready to act.